Thank you for choosing Sunbelt Rentals. In this video, we will be discussing the Bisomac 210 hoist with overload device. This is a self-reeving hoist that is rated for 1,000 pounds that uses a 5/16 or 8mm wire rope and requires 208 volts. The up-down control button is located on the front of the hoist. The hoist is also equipped with 4 safety devices: emergency stop, overspeed, overload, and controlled descent. Having the proper voltage available for the hoist is very important. The power required to operate the hoist is 208 volts, but it does have an operating range of plus or minus 10%. That means the hoist will work safely in a voltage range of 187 volts up to 228 volts. If your available voltage falls outside of this range, please contact your local Sunbelt Rentals Scaffold Services store. Once the hoist is plugged in, the light in the center of the up-down button will illuminate, confirming you have power to the hoist. To travel up the wire rope, you simply push on the top portion of the up-down button. When you want to stop, just release the button. The red button is the emergency stop button, which is also called the e-stop. This button is one of the 4 safety devices on the hoist and is for emergency use if the hoist were to continue running after you release the up-down button. When pushed in, the button lights up indicating that it has been depressed. This will shut off power to the controls, but is not the same as unplugging the hoist. If it is pushed in by accident, rotate the button clockwise until it pops out and the light goes off. Then normal operation can resume. The second safety device on this hoist is the overspeed device. This is located at the top of the hoist, and its job is to stop downward travel of the hoist. There are several things you should notice about this device: the inlet guide at the top, the yellow reset handle, the manual trip button, the governor inspection window, and the red light under the reset handle. Before each shift, the overspeed should be checked for proper operation. This is done by inserting the wire rope into the inlet guide and pushing it through the device until it comes out of the bottom. When moving the wire through the device, you should see the governor wheel turning inside the inspection window. If this does not spin when the wire moves through, do not use the hoist. Contact your local Sunbelt Rentals Scaffold store. If it does spin, pull up sharply on the wire rope to trip the device and ensure the jaws have locked onto the wire rope. If they do not grab the wire rope, do not use the hoist and contact your local Sunbelt Rentals Scaffold store. To reset the device, rotate the yellow reset handle back to the 3 o'clock position. If the device trips during normal operation of the hoist will stop downward travel, the reset handle will move to the 1 o'clock position, and the red light on the device will light up when the down button is depressed. To reset the device, the hoist must travel upward a small amount and then rotate the handle back to the 3 o'clock position. The third safety device is the overload device. This is located at the bottom of the hoist, and its job is to stop upward travel of the hoist. If the device trips during operation, the orange light on the front of the control box will light up and remain lit until the overload condition is resolved. Overloading can occur a couple of different ways. The platform may have too many people or too much material on it, or the platform may be caught on something. Once the overload condition is resolved, the light will go out and the device will automatically reset. The fourth safety device is the controlled descent feature. This allows the hoist to be lowered safely in the event of a loss of power. If this occurs, first unplug the hoist, then unscrew the locking bracket holding the brake release handle. Move the bracket out of the way and pull out on the brake release handle to travel downward. This is for emergency use only and should not be used for anything except emergency descent. Depending on the type of work you will be doing, there are covers designed for this hoist and overspeed. These covers can help keep debris from entering the hoist and debris from building up on the exterior of the hoist, which could affect the safe operation of the motor. Additionally, this may help avoid cleaning charges for excessive dirt and debris. We hope this video has helped you gain a better understanding of the safe operation of the Bisomac 210 hoist motor. As an additional resource, the manual is located in the tube attached to the motor. If you have any additional questions or require any assistance, please contact your local Sunbelt Rentals Scaffold Services representative. And once again, thank you for choosing Sunbelt Rentals Scaffold Services.